Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to read WhatsApp messages without the other person knowing. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Here, you can see that I have received 4 messages from my office phone. However, I don't want the senders to know that I've read their messages. But don't worry, I'll show you how to read the texts without leaving any trace. Go to the search bar and type in the contact name. In this case, it's Office. Now, simply scroll down until you find the text messages from the office. Here, you can see all the latest messages from the office. Take your time to read the content without worrying about the senders being notified. Once you're done reading, you can simply go back to your main screen. Now, if you check your office phone, you'll notice that there are no blue tick marks next to the messages you've read. This means that for the senders, it appears as if you haven't read their messages yet. Check it again. You can type and send another message. Once again, open your phone and type the sender's name in the search bar to find their recent messages. This way, you can read messages without letting them know. And there you have it. That's the simple trick to read someone's WhatsApp messages without them knowing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tip useful.